go.
Hi, I'm Bruce from Delta, BC, and I'm reviewing the Mercier Canvas Rope Dining Chair. Am I still going?
Yeah.
Okay, keep going. Nice chair. It's well built. It doesn't wobble at all. It looks a little bit narrow for somebody my size, but it's actually comfortable to sit in. The bars in the back or the bars in the front don't constrict you like some chairs do. It might be a little narrow in the arms because it's just one bar. But as far as for a dining table outdoors, it seems to work well. I think the issue might be with it, you won't want to leave it in the sun long. I think that would deteriorate the string, but it hasn't stretched at all. So if well looked after, it should take care. Can't see the welds, but I assume they're pretty good since everything's straight and it doesn't wobble at all. Seems to be reasonable quality. Better than a plastic chair for sure around a table. So all in all, a nice chair if you're in the market for such a thing.